Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. Again we have the science period and we will learn through the video. So in the last video I have sent you about the diversity of objects. So today we will continue this topic, that diversity of objects. So in this topic we have learned that we can classify or we can easily arrange objects, different objects, according to their in different groups according to the materials they are made of. Okay, means what is the diversity of object means, in diversity of objects we can arrange different types of objects in different group according to the material they have made up of. Means we have also learned that a single material can be used for making different types of objects. Like I have given you the example, leather is used for making the purse, leather is used for making the belts, leather is also used for making the shoes. See, also if we will carefully observe that a single object is made of different kind of materials. Some cooking utensils are made of metals with plastic handles. Means a single objects can also be made up of different materials, like one utensils, kitchen utensils, which is made up of metal and its handle is made up of plastic. Same almiras, if we will talk about, to almiras are made up of wood as well as metallic handles. With the metallic handles, this means a single material can be used for making different type of objects, and a single object is also made up of more than one materials. This is called the diversity of objects. So in the activity 4 you can see on the page number of 56, look at different objects shown in the picture and complete the table. Two examples are done for you. Means a table is giving for you. So in this table different pictures are there. Means different pictures of objects are there. So here it is written in one column objects, and it is here you has to use material use. Now you are thinking, ma'am, it's very easy, why we are learning this topic? So I know it's easy, but still we don't know the materials, which materials are using for which objects. So it is very important for us to know that objects which is made up of which materials. Like pencil, we all know pencil daily we are using. So which material are using for making the pencils? The wood, lead, surface paint. Means that much material are using for a single pencil. Same calendar, if we will talk about the calendar, so we see calendar is made up of paper, and it's also a spiral which is made up of plastic. Means so a single calendar is made up of paper and plastic. Now if we will take the next example, that is bicycle. So we daily ride the bicycle. So what materials are used? So in the bicycle, metal is used, rubber is used, iron is used, plastic is used. Means you can see for a single objects how many materials are using for making a single object. Same radio set, if we will talk about the radio set, so in this plastic is used, metal is used, magnetic is used, magnet is also used for the sound. So that means in a radio set that much materials are using. Now if we will talk about the lamp set, okay, lamp set, so you can see the in the lamp set wood is used, plastic is used, glass is used for the bulb. So means in for a single lamp set, three materials are used for making a simple single lamp set. Now if we will talk about the last one, that is umbrella. Means umbrella, in umbrella we use the metal, we use the plastic, we use the cloth, okay, for the umbrella. So in this topic what we learned that a single object can be made up of different materials, as we have taken the example of a lamp set, umbrella, radio set, calendar, and so many things. So that this is called the diversity of objects. So in the diversity of object, at last we came to know that 3 points we came to know in the diversity of object. First thing, we can differentiate objects on the basis of material used, or we can put the objects in different groups on the basis of the material they are made up of. Second point, a single material can be used for making different types of object. Okay, a single material can be used for making different types of objects, as I have given you the example of leather. Okay, leather can be used for making belts, for bags, for shoes. And the third point we learn in the diversity of objects, a single object can be made of more than one material, or a single object can be made of so many materials. Like example, we have taken the pencil, calendar, radio set, umbrella. So these all three main points of the diversity of objects. So today homework, you have to complete the activity 4 in your book by yourself. Okay, if you have any doubt in this topic, whenever we will have the live class, you can ask me during the live class, or you can send me the message in my personal window for clear